At the end of our last video, we had the Odroid H2 computer running quite happily with Windows 10 Pro installed upon it, and cooled by the remarkably quiet Odroid fan. The next stage was to fit a power switch. Shown at the bottom here is the power switch available from the Odroid website, which comes fully assembled and at an excellent price. However, I still have some smaller switches from a previous build which I'm going to use for this project. Mounting the switch temporarily on the frame allows the switch to be tested, and it shows no issues. The large heatsink can take a while to get warm enough to need active cooling from the fan. The next task in the project was to replace the external power supply with an HDPlex internal one. You can also purchase a power lead on the Odroid website to connect to your own power supply. Mounting the HDPlex AC to DC converter behind the Odroid in the frame allows it to power a second Odroid computer mounted above the first. The power needs of the Odroid are 14 to 20 volts at 4 amps, and the HDPlex 160 watt power supply can provide 19 volts at 8 amps, removing the need for a second power supply. After I've finalised the position of the second Odroid in the frame, I can look at getting a front grille, possibly 3D printed, for the unit to allow the power switches to be properly mounted and allowing adequate airflow. There will be a 140mm Noctua fan at the back of the rack, which should keep all 4 Odroids suitably chilled. I'm really pleased with the progress of this project and very impressed with the quality and compactness of the Odroid board. The first running of the Odroid with the HDPlex power supply in place showed no issues, and everything is now ready for the project to move on to planning the fitting of a second Odroid board. This will be mounted above the first Odroid board and drawing its power from the HDPlex power supply. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.